Nĩ kiumia gĩa kerĩ rĩu thutha wa mutino uyu wa ndege kuhanika na nginyagia rĩu miiri ya andu atatu aria mari ndege-ini iyo ndirionekana. Undu uyu niguo cungiriirie atongoria a makanitha na aikari a Naikuru gutabania mahoya ma kuhoera nyumba na arata aria mari ndege-ini iyo. Samigaho ni umwe wa aria maratabanirie mahoya macio.
When the axe was fallen into the waters, people could not locate the axe. And Lord, through your servant Elisha, the axe was made to float. This was just an axe. Here we have human bodies. Oh God, in Jesus' name, you who is full of mercy, by the authority and the power that you've given us by the priesthood of Jesus Christ, we stand in between you and between these waters, and we command these waters today, release these bodies in the name of Jesus, release these bodies.
Handũ-inĩ hake William Ngugi uria ni muciari wa Sam Gitau augite mutino ucio ni utumite mihang'o ya nyumba ciao itharare kuona matiui kuria miiri ya endwa ao iri.
Tumeongeleshwa sana sana na hawa makanzuri, hata watu wa Red Cross wamejaribu sana kutupatia mawaidha na vile mtu anakaa.
Andu a nyumba ni moritie anyitite miguthi na mbere na mihang'o ya gwethana na endwa ao niguo miturire yao icokererie. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Waweru.